Hello everyone, in this video we want to show you how to make pizza in 8 steps. First of all, please prepare needed materials. You need a metal that you have to prepare before making pizza. Dough, enough to make at least a small circle. Cheese, as much as you want. Pepperoni, or any other toppings you want. Pizza sauce. Pizza stone for oven. Step 1. Take the dough out and roll it into a circle. Step 2. Puff out the edge of the dough so the crust is thicker at the edge. Step 3. Preheat oven to 250 to 260 degrees Celsius. Remember to put a pizza stone in the oven. Step 4. Put on the pizza sauce, cheese, and toppings. Step 5. Put the pizza on the pizza stone in the oven. Step 6. Bake for 30 minutes or until pizza is crispy and golden brown. Step 7. Try putting the toppings on the pizza differently to make the pizza look cool. You can also change the shape of your pizza, such as square or triangle. Step 8. Enjoy your homemade pizza.